In this video, we'll be talking about native rice and we'll be making it together. So stay tuned, guys. You all know how native rice is really nice and it's all over the place now, and it's actually very simple to make with fewer ingredients. You don't have to break your bank to make this native rice. As you can see, it's really yummy, nice, and it has everything. So I want to use this medium to welcome you guys, foodies. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You guys are amazing. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. My new subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. So before we go further, I want to beg you all that have not subscribed to this channel, if you're seeing this video, subscribe and like, and turn up your post notification for amazing recipes every day. So let's dive right into the video. So first of all, we'll be steaming our meat. We'll be steaming our meat, and we are using assorted meat for this recipe. After steaming, we'll cut it into little cubes. I say little cubes because you want it to be everywhere in your pot. So inside the same pan where you fried your meat, you go ahead and add more oil because it's palm oil rice, right? So we need more oil. You add your more palm oil, and you add your garlic and ginger. I know some people say, hey, why do we need garlic and ginger? Is it not native food? Well, I love garlic and ginger, so if you don't want, you can skip it, okay? So you go ahead and add your Panla fish. We're using Panla fish for this recipe. Panla fish is also called Hake fish. So you add your Panla, your deboned Panla, and fry it for some time. Then you go ahead and add your pomo. It has a lot of nutritional value, so don't worry. Even if you see pomo in all our dishes, pomo is actually really nice. So we'll go ahead and add our pepper mix. In our pepper mix here, we just have our pepper, tatache, shombo, and tomato, a little bit of tomato and a little bit of shombo, because you still want to maintain that native rice, right? So after that, you stir a little, fry it. You need to fry it for some time and allow it to boil. After boiling, you add back your meat, the meat you fried before and set aside. You add it back, and you add your oporo. This is called oporo in Rivers State, where I'm from, but I think they call it's big crayfish, all this big crayfish. I don't know the English name. Oh, prawns. It's called prawns, guys. So it's called prawns. You add your prawns, which is also called oporo. Then you go ahead and add your crayfish. Now you're going to fry everything together. You're going to allow this to fry. Yes, you're going to allow this to fry very, very well, and you just leave it to fry. Now you're going to add your seasoning cubes, your salt, and stir. Now you go ahead and cover your pot, allow it to cook for some time, and we come back, we add our parboiled rice. Yes, this rice has been properly washed and parboiled. As you can see, it is sparkling clean. So you make sure that you wash your rice properly, remove all the unwanted dirt, the stones, everything you don't want in your rice, because some rice, especially our native rice, or should I say our local rice, has a lot of dirt, because it's not everybody that can afford basmati rice, right? Basmati rice is actually on the high side this period. So you now add your rice, stir completely, like very well, make sure that everything is well incorporated into your rice, and you go in and add your stock. This stock, we got it from our meat we parboiled earlier, so you can use chicken stock, fish stock, or any stock you have. I used my meat stock. Now you go ahead and stir everything, and you're not going to add water. You're going to add a little bit of water. Remember, we already parboiled this rice, so you're just going to add a little bit of water that will cook this. Remember, for rice, you don't have to pour lots of water into your pot, because the steam alone from your pot will help you boil your rice, will help you cook your rice. So now we'll go ahead and add more crayfish. Remember, we added crayfish when we were frying all our pepper mix, our fish and everything. We added crayfish. Now we are going to add more crayfish, because what is native rice without crayfish? What is native rice without crayfish? So we'll add our crayfish and we cover it to cook. So let's wait for it to cook. So if you've watched to this extent, I want to say thank you. You guys are the real G. Please do well to subscribe, like, turn up your post notification, because amazing recipes are going to be dropping on this channel every weekend. And we have our daily recipes, we post our juice and smoothies that we post, and our breakfast ideas that we post every day on our shorts videos. So stay tuned on this channel. Now guys, let's go back to cooking. We are going to add our scent leaf. Yes, that was scent leaf I added. What is native rice with a scent leaf? You guys, scent leaf will take your meal from 0 to 1,000. I'm not exaggerating, I'm not even joking, you guys. Scent leaf will take it from 0 to 100. So at this point, you see that we did not really cook our rice for a longer period of time, because we already cooked it, we parboiled it, and we fried our base, which was fish and everything, pepper mix and everything, and we make sure that it was really nice. So after that, we are going to go ahead now and stir it properly, because you want everything that was down to come up, everything that was down, because when you are cooking, most of the ingredients go down. So after cooking it for some time, you open it and stir properly to make sure everything comes up. And at this point, we are going to add our egg. You guys, I told you guys this recipe, this food has everything, like it has everything. So now you're going to add your egg and you cover it to cook, because when the flavor of your native rice enters into your egg, it takes your egg from 0 to 100. Oh, you guys. So at this point, our rice was already ready and I was trying to serve. Are you seeing how beautiful our rice looks? See, video is not even doing justice to our video, our food. This rice, this is so nice, and it was really actually very nice. Would you be trying this recipe, guys? I want to see you try it, or let me know in the comments what you want us to make next. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share my videos, and engage. Bye guys, see you in my next.